Financial risk management practices and challenges in Zimbabwe's evolving economic landscape. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The economic landscape in Zimbabwe has been characterized by persistent financial instability, which has been marked by hyperinflation, currency volatility, and limited access to foreign exchange. Despite the critical importance of effective financial risk management in navigating these challenges, many organizations in Zimbabwe lack structured frameworks and tools to adequately assess and mitigate these risks. The study aimed to develop a comprehensive framework tailored to the specific challenges faced by businesses. This study encompasses an in-depth examination of the financial stakeholders in Zimbabwe, focusing on their roles, challenges, and contributions to the financial landscape. A qualitative research design was adopted for this study. Using purposive sampling, the researcher chose 15 important players in Zimbabwe's financial industry in order to conduct interviews and collect primary data. This includes academics with expertise in finance as well as professionals employed by banks, regulatory agencies, and investment businesses. Data was analyzed using thematic analysis. Zimbabwe's economic and financial circumstances present a number of difficulties and factors for financial risk management. Key challenges Zimbabwean businesses face include economic instability, political uncertainty, lack of access to finance, foreign exchange risks, and regulatory challenges. The study proposed a comprehensive risk management framework for Zimbabwean businesses, including risk assessment tools, mitigation strategies, and monitoring mechanisms. There has to be training, education, and adaptable methods so that the architecture will still function in the volatile economic environment of Zimbabwe. It can allude that incorporating the components proposed in the framework into risk management procedures can help companies better recognize, evaluate, reduce, and track financial risks in the nation's distinct economic landscape. Policy recommendations could include creating a more benevolent regulatory environment that promotes the adoption of contemporary financial risk management techniques, such as providing tax breaks or subsidies to businesses that invest in risk management equipment and training, in order to optimize the framework's usefulness. Further research can, however, be required on a larger scale and incorporating other research methods. Introduction. This study explores how businesses in Zimbabwe can better manage financial risks in an environment marked by economic instability, such as hyperinflation and currency fluctuations. The country's financial challenges, including unstable currency, limited foreign exchange, and high inflation, have created significant risks for businesses. Despite the importance of managing these risks, many companies lack the proper tools and frameworks to do so effectively. This research aims to develop a practical framework tailored to Zimbabwe's unique economic conditions, focusing on specific risk assessment methods, mitigation strategies, and monitoring processes. The goal is to help businesses protect themselves from financial disruptions and ensure their long-term survival. The study highlights various types of financial risks, such as market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, and operational risk, and examines how these impact businesses in Zimbabwe. It also suggests strategies businesses can use to address these risks, including diversifying revenue, improving cash flow management, and adopting better regulatory practices. Ultimately, this research seeks to provide local businesses with the tools and knowledge needed to navigate the country's economic challenges and contribute to broader financial stability in emerging markets. Conclusion. Zimbabwe's challenging economic conditions, including high inflation and currency instability, make financial risk management difficult for businesses. However, implementing a tailored risk management system can help businesses stabilize their finances, improve investor confidence, and increase competitiveness. To make this system more effective, policy recommendations include creating a favorable regulatory environment, offering tax incentives for risk management investments, and improving infrastructure for digital financial solutions. Additionally, partnerships with foreign financial institutions can provide access to advanced tools. Ultimately, this approach can help Zimbabwean businesses navigate economic uncertainty and support long-term growth and stability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.